The genius of Nikola Tesla. From time to time, special people appear in the world. These people change the way we live. They see things differently. They have new ideas and make great inventions. Some famous inventors are Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, and Leonardo da Vinci. But one of the greatest inventors of all time was Nikola Tesla. His ideas changed the world forever. Early life. Nikola Tesla was born on July 10, 1856, in a small village in Croatia. His father was a priest, and his mother was very smart. She made small machines at home. Tesla loved learning. As a child, he read many books and had a great memory. He could remember everything he read. Tesla was very interested in electricity. He wanted to understand how it worked. When he was young, he saw a cat's fur make small sparks. He asked his father, "What is this light?" His father said, "It is electricity." From that moment, Tesla wanted to learn everything about it. Education and first ideas. Tesla studied engineering in Austria and later in Prague. He worked very hard and had many ideas, but he did not finish his studies. He started working for a telephone company in Hungary. While working there, he thought of a new kind of motor, the alternating current AC motor. At that time, most people used direct current DC electricity, but Tesla believed AC was better. Going to America. In 1884, Tesla traveled to the United States. He had very little money, but he had big dreams. He wanted to meet Thomas Edison, a famous inventor. Edison was working with electricity, and Tesla thought they could work together. At first, Edison gave Tesla a job. He asked Tesla to improve his DC machines. Tesla worked hard and made them better, but when Tesla asked for money for his work, Edison refused. Tesla was very disappointed and left Edison's company. War of the Currents. Tesla believed that AC electricity was better than Edison's DC electricity. He met George Westinghouse, a businessman who also liked AC. Together, they worked to bring AC electricity to the world. This started a big fight called the War of the Currents. Edison tried to show that AC was dangerous, but Tesla and Westinghouse proved that AC was safer and cheaper. In the end, AC electricity won, and today, we use it in our homes. Great inventions. Tesla made many important inventions. Some of them include alternating current AC system. This is the electricity we use today. It helps power our homes, schools, and cities. Tesla coil, a special device that creates high-voltage electricity. Scientists still use it in experiments today. 3-dot radio waves. Tesla discovered how to send wireless signals. Later, Guglielmo Marconi used this idea to create the radio, but Tesla was the first to think of it. For wireless electricity. Tesla wanted to send electricity through the air without wires. He built a big tower called the Wardenclyffe Tower to test his idea, but he did not have enough money to finish it. 5-dot electric motor. Tesla's AC motor made many machines work better, including trains and factories. The dream of free energy. Tesla had a big dream. He wanted to give free energy to everyone in the world. He believed that electricity could travel through the air without wires. He wanted to build towers that could send energy to homes and cities. But rich businessmen did not like this idea. They wanted to sell electricity, not give it for free. Because of this, Tesla did not get enough money to finish his work. Later years. In his later years, Tesla lived alone. He did not care about money. He only cared about science. He had many new ideas but did not have enough support. Many people did not understand his work, but he continued to dream about the future. Tesla loved animals, especially pigeons. He fed them every day in the park. He said that one white pigeon was very special to him. He believed that she brought him messages from the universe. Death and legacy. Nikola Tesla died on January 7, 1943, in a hotel room in New York. He was 86 years old. He had no money, but his ideas changed the world. Today, we remember Tesla as one of the greatest inventors. His work made modern electricity possible. His name is now famous, and many people admire him. The Tesla car company, started by Elon Musk, is named after him. Conclusion: inventors like Nikola Tesla changed the world. They dream of new things and work hard to make them real. Tesla's ideas were too advanced for his time, but today we see how important they were. His work with electricity still powers our world. He was a true genius, and his legacy will never be forgotten.